Hello class, we're in chapter 6.8, learning about the power of jet propulsion. As you can see, we did skip chapter 6.6 and 6.7, and we're going to move directly to chapter 6.8. As we are learning about the power of jet propulsion, we do have to know about its history, when we actually start creating engines to power a jet. So let's go and learn about that history, the power for flight. In 1903, Wilbur and Orville Wright flew the first powered airplane. How did they actually fly that first powered airplane? They actually used an engine to turn a propeller, also known as prop, that pulled the airplane through the air. Even today, we actually do have engines that will turn a propeller that will pull the airplane through the air. And everything started in 1903. So first off, let's go and learn about our first engine, about how this certain jet engine will work, which is a turbojet. So most of the jet engines are called gas turbines. The reason why most of our jet engines are called gas turbines is because their operation depends upon a rotating turbine inside that engine. For our STEM project that we actually had last week, I did see several students who actually created a jet engine, and most of those jet engines were actually gas turbines, which is a turbojet. A turbojet is the simplest gas turbine engine. So inside that engine, there will be a rotating turbine to make that engine work. So moving on to our next engine, we have the turbofan. Just like how a fan works, it's going to be the same exact way. A turbofan is a turbojet with a large fan added at the very front of the engine. If you have been on an airplane, most of our planes will actually have a turbofan. The plane will work with a turbofan. It's used in most modern jet aircrafts. So we have the turbojet, and then we have the turbofan. The next one is going to be the turboprop. In our first slide, we did have what prop was. Prop is a propeller. Turboprop uses a jet engine to power a propeller. So I did see, I think it was 2 students who actually used a propeller to create an engine. It's going to be the same exact way with a turboprop. It's a jet engine to power a propeller. And our last one is going to be a ramjet, which is another type of a jet engine. This ramjet, though, is a special type of jet engine designed to function at very high speeds. It's actually going to be a lot faster than a plane. That's why they actually use this jet engine only for missiles. So the ramjet is a special type of jet engine designed to function at very, very high speeds. It will work best with missiles. So we do have how jet engine works. We have to know its history, when it actually started, which was 1903 with Wilbur and Orville Wright. And we also have to know the different types of engines, which is going to be the turbojet, the turbofan, the turboprop, and the ramjet. What you're going to do today for today's classwork, you're going to read page 172 all the way to page 173, and you're going to do the comprehension check for chapter 6.8. Goodbye.